Soon I be rich, I be help to the bitch. Sexy girl in bikini, everything sweet. Sun under we feet, so let me dance to the beats. Wind up the waist.
Hey guys, Nia here and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I install this wig. And if you're not subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Command A free. It's for free, so you might as well. You're gonna like it here. So to also hit that notification bell so it notifies you whenever I put out a next video, because I will. And let's get started with this video. So when you get a package, as you open it, it'll have the service card, which gives you all the information as to how to take care of the wig, the options they have, and their information. The wig comes in a dust bag. I got a 12-inch Malaysian deep wave textured wig. You also receive a purple little baggie, a elastic band for extra support, a little rat tail comb, wig cap, and little clip and hairpins. Taking my Carol's Daughter conditioner, I conditioned the hair after bleaching the knots of the frontal. And this is how the hair looks after I've washed it and plucked it, and you just let it air dry overnight. So let's get ready for this install. What you're gonna want to do once you put on your wig cap, you're gonna want to take some powder that's close to your skin tone and pat it all over the parts where your frontal is going to show your scalp. Then want to take a cotton swab with some alcohol and clean up around your hairlines. Regular speed. I'm just showing you how I put the wig on my head so I can fit it and know where I need to cut my ear tab and where I need to put the glue. I had to take that wig off and cut the ear tabs off because that wasn't it. But once you're done do all of that so it fits on your head better, you're gonna peel back and apply the glue in small little dots. You can't do too much because if you do too much, it's gonna be a mess. And then once you've done that, you're gonna smooth it out until it turns clear. After doing this for like about 5 times, you're going to then want to carefully place the frontal on the glue and make sure you don't make a mess, and then comb it back so it could like adhere more to your scalp or your forehead. Blow dry that bad boy so it could further melt. Okay, all right. I'm gonna do the same thing I did for the middle part on both sides. Excuse the frustration in my face. I am not patient whatsoever, but just keep doing what you do, okay? So boom, you get all the sections down, everything is glued on. So what you're gonna do is take the blow dryer again and further blow dry the frontals so everything is melted a little bit more, okay? And then we get to cutting. Oh, I really played myself with this eyebrow razor. Crazy. Do not come for me. I know I'm using a sewing scissors. That was the only sensible damn scissors I had at the moment. But yeah, just cut it in zigzag motions, okay? Okay, so we done. So what you're gonna do is peel back the little pieces you missed after cutting your lace and glue those bad boys down so you could be right. We coming together. So what you gonna do next? Take your little foam, put it on your frontal, and then you're gonna take your hat comb and flatten it out a little bit because we don't need to look like Humpty Dumpty.
Bruh.
I promise I'm gonna get some better scissors and stop using sewing scissors, okay? Next time. We good, we done. We ain't really done, but we done. So what you gonna do now is take a scarf to lay them edges or lay the leaves.
Two hours later.
We're finally finished. Here's the final product. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, just go ahead and hit that like button and don't forget to once again hit that subscribe button if you have not done so already, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.
As soon as we reach, I'll be head to the beach. Sexy girl in bikini, everything sweet. Sun under we feet, so let we